In this video, I'll guide you through sending Robux to your friends without a group. To begin sending Robux to your friends, they need to follow a specific process on their accounts. First, they should head to the Create tab and click on it. Then navigate to the Creation tab on the left panel. By default, they should see their own workplace or creation listed there under their username. Click on it. Once there, scroll down a bit and look for Monetization. Under this, find the option for passes and click on it. Now create a new pass by clicking on Create a Pass. Name it something like Please Give Me Robux and add a brief description. Then click on Create Pass. Next, open that pass and go to the Sale tab on the left panel. Indicate the amount of Robux you wish to receive. Let's say 10 Robux for this example. Click on Save Changes. After saving, go back to Associated Items and choose the Passes option. Find the pass you just created. Click on the three-dot icon and select Open in New tab. Highlight and copy the URL from URL section. Now send this link to the person who will be sending you the specific Robux amount. You can share it via Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, or Discord. Once they receive the link, they just have to access it, log in, and click on Buy to proceed with the transaction. Remember, 30% of the price will go to Robux due to processing and platform fees. So ensure you add a bit more to cover this fee. Finally, click on Buy and proceed to the payment to send the Robux to your friend. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.